Hi crypto fans, welcome to CCS Cryptocurrency State. My name is Santiago and in today's video we are going to cover a new big airdrop that launched a hub with a point system just a couple of days ago. This is a very important project, so let's go directly to all the information and how you can participate on this airdrop. This is the Morph Airdrop. Morph is the consumer finance layer of the internet, powering real world payments, rewards and savings, built for the growing digital class shaping the internet economy. With ultra low gas fees, near instant settlement and natively composable DeFi infrastructure, Morph makes it finally possible to bring everyday finance on chain. Morph is not just another layer 2, it's the consumer finance layer for the on-chain economy, a purpose-built platform for real-world payments, savings and yield. And very important points to share with you guys is first that they raised 25 million in funding. You can go here to CryptoRank, search for Morph and you can confirm that here. Many of the founders are known VCs like Dragonfly, Pantera Capital, the Spartan Group, so no surprises on that. Another great thing is that the team information is public on their website. And here is the information of the CEO. So from the website, which is great, full of information, you can see everything about the technology, how Morph works. Super focus on payments, many sections related to how and why build on Morph. But if you continue going down, you will see here a global team and you have here all the information of the main core of the team. So here Colin, he's the CEO. So you can go to his X account on LinkedIn, CEO of Morph Layers, and of course he's involved in another stuff, but you will see here everything that he has to comment. Of course many of the exposts are related to Morph and the progress on the project. And the other great thing is that Morph Hub was launched on August 5th, and this is basically a new point system where you can interact with the applications, bridge assets into Morph and do more tasks in order to get experience points. You also can refer points. So you have two different leaderboards for experience point and referral points, and there are more ways to earn. As new DApps and features are added into Morph, the hub will continue to introduce new quests and earnings opportunities. You also have some NFTs that are going to multiply your experience points. So we are going to check all that. In terms of when I think this is going to be launched, this airdrop, I think it's going to be in Q1, Q2 of 2026, so don't expect anything this year. You can see from this article, they launched the roadmap that charts Morph development path through 2026, and you can go here and check the roadmap. And for what I see here, you can see the launch of Morph Rails and the centralized payment card. When we see anything decentralized, I think we are going to have a token really soon at that time. So I am expecting that maybe Q1, Q2 is going to be the date for the launch of these tokens. I don't expect that from here until the end of the year. But again, this is super new. They just launched it on August, the hub, so we are going to check that, but it's super new. And in general terms, the Morph X account, you can see 810k followers, so a ton of information and a ton of followers already from this project. Now let's check how you can participate. The first thing you need to do is join here to this link. This is the hub for the Morph. This is a referral link from King Louis, one of our alpha members on our Discord, on our private Discord. So sometimes I don't mention that, but many of the referral links that I put in my videos are from my followers on my private Discord. So that way we share the reach of the YouTube channel. So my followers on the private Discord can have an opportunity to get a ton of referrals from that. So please use the referral link here from our dear friend King Louis. So once you click there, you are going to be sent to the hub. So first thing to do, of course, is connect your wallet. You will be connected automatically. You can use your MetaMask or any other EVM wallet. Connect, and you will need to, of course, confirm the signed transaction. So once you are there, the things that you need to do is what I put here on the point 2. There are many tasks to complete. You need to bridge into Morph. You can edit your profile. You have daily check-ins. You get some NFTs that I'm going to show you. You can do social tasks and also swap. So let's go and review a little bit about the different tasks that we can do here. If you have a welcome code, you can enter it here. This will give you 100 experience points. Then you can check out this. So just go here to Banter, and here there is a campaign of 500,000 in Morph tokens. This is mostly for creators. You can put and connect here. So any X post that you do tagging Morph layer or should contain the keyword Morph. So you can participate here and start earning a part of this pool from August 6 to November 6. So after you go there and you saw that, you can click here on claim. So you claim these 100 points of experience. And then you continue moving down. Here you need to bridge at least 0.001 Ethereum to Morph. Again, I recommend you to use more volume. Then introduce yourself, add a name, nickname to your portfolios. Just go to edit portfolio and do that. You can of course invite friends. To get your invite, you need to at least complete the bridge into Morph. Then you have these daily check-ins. Click here, confirm the check-in, success. So you will get those 10 points. And then we have this interesting part, which is the NFTs. These are the Morph multipliers. They apply to the XP points, not for the referral points. And the multiplier applies per wallet, not based on the number of NFTs held, with a minimum of 1 NFT required per wallet. So doesn't matter if you have 3 or 4 NFTs, you always are going to have a 3x multiplier here and a 2x multiplier here. This is counted per wallet. And if you want the Morph Black NFT, you can click here and you can see it here on OpenSea. Right now the floor price is 0.2949 Ethereum, so it's not cheap, guys. I don't know if you're going to have more rewards in the future besides the multiplier, but of course the multiplier is great for this kind of airdrops and not many are going to buy these NFTs. Also you have the Morph Platinum NFT multiplier, so you can go here, you connect your wallet and you can mint this. There are 10,000 and only 1.491 sold. So you still have a chance to go here and mint, connect your wallet and mint the Morph Platinum card. Again, always do your own research. You can read everything about that here. I am not recommending to mint or buy any of these NFTs. This is of course super risky and it will depend on how much you want to do this airdrop or not. Sometimes these NFTs increase in value a lot over time in the secondary market. Sometimes you don't get any rewards that worth it, like happened with Eclipse. But there you go, you have 2 NFTs to get if you want. Then you have the social task, of course follow many people here on X, retweet and do all kind of tasks on X. And you have some bring the on-chain action. You need to swap Ethereum for USDC. This is daily, so you can do this each day. Then you can mint a meme on MorphD. So this is one of the applications. You can mint your Morph domain on Space ID. So you can go and mint your domain. So these are going to be tasks related to applications that we are going to see more and more as the protocol continue growing and building more projects. So this is a new Morph Hub where you can go and interact with all the tasks in order to get your experience points. And of course the multipliers on the NFTs are a great advantage if you buy those for the total amount of points. This airdrop is great for my application because you have to do daily tasks, so you can put your reminder, your alarms in my airdrop application, and with that you are going to be always aware that you need to come here and click those buttons, do those actions, swap, mint, and do all that to get more rewards daily. You can see here in X, this is daily too, this is weekly. So yeah, a lot of things that you can do here. And if you are going to post on X, I recommend you to participate too on Band on this Morph campaign, which is basically for content creators, but with your X account you can participate too. And the point 3, guys, is just join the Discord to stay up to date with more things. Remember, everything right now is going to be around the hub, but in the future maybe another campaigns and other things related to Morph, and always the best way to follow up is in the Discord. That is all for this video. If you want more alpha, don't forget to check my website cryptocurrencystate.net. Join to my private Discord. We have an airdrop application too. Here is a video on how it works. So you can apply with multiple wallets or one wallet into multiple airdrops. Have everything organized. All the step-by-steps are there. So you just go click a couple of buttons and you will be set to participate in a lot of airdrops. Don't forget the merchandising if you want something related to crypto and airdrop farming. And if you want the alpha before everyone else, of course join my Discord, but also I post live stuff in X account, which is CryptoSeaState. So go to CryptoSeaState, follow me there, so you get many of the things that I do related to airdrops and also post about things on crypto in general. That will be all for this video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, click the bell to get the notifications, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.